Shingo's channel.
Hey.
Hey, I just got back from Tsukiji, came home, and look at all this shit.
Surprise, Shingo.
Look at all this. Oh my god.
That's for you.
Alright, you gotta explain what you got me here.
Nothing. All for us.
Nothing
Bring it home.
Okay. Just pack it into yours.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, look at this.
Consomme flavored chip because my favorite. We got like
See, look at all these consomme flavors.
This one.
More consomme.
more consomme
This is just
and vegetable flavors.
No, I love this one. I kept on stealing from Rex.
Next of rice.
Oh shit.
I don't know I got this, but we got this.
Consomme.
UFO catcher.
UFO because we are UFO champions.
This is like, this is like from the
karaoke. Dude, it's like all our memories in just all this hack shit.
And all the frickin'
Yes, this is what I used to. This is what I used to eat instead of train and everything. They saw me.
Alright, it's mild.
It's
mild. It's not hot because you can't do hot. And
more consomme.
Yay!
we got Oyacha and
Gogo no Kocha milk tea.
Look at that. Gogon Kocha is like expensive too.
And great soda.
Oh my
Great
god.
soda.
From 7-Eleven.
Yeah.
Samochi thingies.
Pudding.
Pudding.
And the best thing in here.
What is that?
Oh
Sausages.
shit, that's so much.
Yeah. For you, man.
Damn. I'm gonna make that for breakfast then.
Yeah.
Yep.
And we got
One
the
last
freshing.
thing.
See, I don't know what this is. What is this? What is this? Monster, you gotta open it for
No,
me.
you open it.
Yeah, yo.
Alright. Alright.
Good.
Oh, thank you.
Alright.
I just came back from Tsukiji.
Yeah.
Thank you, Monster. Thank you, Rex.
You're welcome. Thanks for having us stay over for 2 weeks.
Are you serious?
Yep. Hope you like it.
You got it.
Woo!
Yay! Alright, there he goes. Yay! Did you guys know we actually go to Kittyland? Oh shit!
Yeah!
Dude!
We got it!
Oh my
We
fucking
got
god!
it.
Are you serious? This thing fucking costs so much!
No, it doesn't.
Nah, dude.
Pretty cheap. Don't worry about it.
I was gonna get this,
No, I
but
didn't.
I didn't.
Yeah.
But we did!
Oh my fucking god!
Yeah, guess when we got it for you?
When did you guys get it?
When we went to Kittyland the second time.
Are you serious?
We slick like that.
Oh shit, I didn't even notice.
Surprise!
So we're like, all that day we're like, we hope he doesn't buy it. We hope he doesn't get it. We hope he doesn't get it. Like, you should get
You're like,
which one you like, the green one or the pink one?
yeah, you're like, oh, I want the blue, but it's not there, so whatever.
And we're like, so,
They're
what
like-
you want? So what you want, the green one or the pink one?
That's why you guys are asking so much. Fuck. Oh shit.
Battery's not included.
You know, you need batteries.
Yeah, you
fuck,
got
but
it.
it looks awesome. Oh my god. I think I'm
Yeah.
gonna run to like 7-Eleven later. Get the
Yeah,
for
Yeah.
the AC.
You better.
Get the AC too.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, woo, we did it.
Wow. That is a surprise. Oh my fucking god.
Yeah.
And Shingo got us.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes I look at my dad, but it's the same thing. Same thing.
Yeah.
Yes, it was. I ate some already. It was good.
Yeah?
So hopefully you guys enjoy it.
We will.
Alright, it was Masa's channel. Bye.
Shingo's channel back again with Masa. Thanks for videotaping.
Time to stuff ourselves again.
Seriously, did you guys eat Matsuya?
Yeah.
We did, but man, we'd eat you.
Yes,
before
you
it
guys.
goes bad, man.
You guys have to save space for sushi.
No. It's good. But we will eat this after though.
Yeah.
Well, actually, that's
Yeah.
yours. Use that. Something else. I don't know. Here's your other one.
Oh yeah, my other one. What?
Ah! Oh my god!
Oh, my sis toys over there.
Alright.
Alright, we're gonna feast,
Do it.
so
Do it.
goodbye, Shingo's channel.